Hi, this is Mohammed, CEO of Lil Helper, and if you've read 1, 2, 100 or 1,000 reviews about Lil Helper, the one thing that most people say is, I love their customer service. How many times have you heard that about any other company?
Never!
With most companies, customer service is almost like an illusion. I hate to say it, but I've never experienced good customer service for almost any company that I've dealt with. So let me tell you how we do it at Lil Helper. Like, this is the core function of our company, is to provide customer service. If you think about it, the one item that you will touch the most will ultimately be your diapers, and hopefully your cloth diapers. Cloth diapers are something that you are going to touch literally 5, 10, 15 times a day. And with cloth diapers, there is a slight learning curve. You have to figure out how to care for them, how to fit them, how to wash them. And that is when you'll have to get in touch with the company. Now, a company like Lil Helper that is built on a foundation of great customer service, not like, it's something that we do. No, this is what we are amazing at. So what does customer service mean? It doesn't start from when there's a problem. It's customers get in touch with us months in advance, asking questions, figuring out what is right, how much to buy, and all of that. So that is all goes into customer service. When you get in touch with Delight, which is our customer service branch, you are actually talking to literally people who are you on the other side. Each and every person who works on the Delight team is a customer of Lil Helpers first. They know the product inside out, so they will give you the right advice, the best advice for you, not so that we can sell you more product or basically shoo you away. No, we want to solve your problem. The other thing is, most companies have 1 or 2 ways of getting in touch with them. We have dozens of literally ways to get in touch with us.
There are dozens of us. Dozens!
You can contact us through Facebook Messenger, email, obviously. Contact us at delight@lilhelper.ca at any time. We'll get back to you within 24 hours, almost always before that. YouTube. When you search for Lil Helper on Google, you can directly contact us from Google itself. Contact us through phone. We have a 1877 number that is attended by folks from our team. You have my own personal cell phone number, 647-885-4642. If you don't trust me, call me right now. I'll pick it up. Well, this is not live, but whenever you call me, I'll pick it up. We are where you are. You don't have to come looking for us. We are already there. We are almost omnipresent. That is why people rave about it. At some point, you might have an issue, and that is why the cloth diaper you choose hopefully has great customer service. And I can assure you, if you deal with Lil Helper, you'll be floored by customer service. I have never experienced customer service the way we provide customer service. I've almost always been kind of disappointed with kind of how lackluster everybody's customer service is. We welcome the opportunity to serve the customer. This is our moment to shine, to make sure that we solve your problem in the fastest, the best, and the most economical way possible. So just get in touch with us, experience it yourself, see what it is all about, and then tell me if I'm lying. Leave us a comment, tell us how we do, and hope to see you soon. Thanks, bye.